The architectural idea behind this modern nature house design is to create a symbiotic relationship between the structure and its environment. Inspired by the rugged beauty of the Canadian coastline, the design seeks to blend seamlessly into the natural landscape while offering contemporary comforts and functionality. Clean lines, geometric forms, and expansive glass elements are utilized to maximize views and connection with the surrounding nature. The use of sustainable materials and eco-friendly design principles further enhances the harmony between the house and its environment. Upon arrival, guests are greeted by a dramatic entry experience that sets the tone for the rest of the house. A long, meandering pathway leads visitors through carefully curated landscaping, gradually revealing glimpses of the ocean beyond. Natural materials like wood, brick, and stone are incorporated to create a warm and inviting ambiance, while thoughtful lighting accents guide the way, creating a sense of anticipation and excitement as guests approach the threshold. Inside, the interior design of the modern nature house reflects a harmonious blend of contemporary elegance and natural beauty. Expansive windows and glass doors flood the living spaces with natural light, while offering uninterrupted views of the ocean and surrounding landscape. Clean, minimalist aesthetics are juxtaposed with rich textures and organic materials, creating a sense of warmth and tranquility throughout the home. The light-filled atrium serves as a striking focal point within the modern nature house, drawing attention with its expansive views and unique architectural features. Natural brick walls and rough concrete ceilings define the space, adding texture and character while enhancing its connection to the surrounding environment. The use of natural materials such as brick and concrete reinforces the house's commitment to sustainability and eco-friendly design, while also providing thermal mass to help regulate indoor temperatures and improve energy efficiency. The rough, unfinished surfaces of the brick walls and concrete ceilings add an element of raw beauty, celebrating the inherent imperfections of the materials and creating a sense of authenticity within the space. To enhance the outdoor experience, the deck may include amenities such as an outdoor kitchen or barbecue area, complete with a countertop, grill, and sink for easy entertaining and dining al fresco. The pool view of this modern nature house design serves as a captivating focal point, seamlessly integrating with the surrounding landscape to create a tranquil oasis of relaxation and enjoyment. Situated adjacent to the ocean, the pool area is strategically positioned to take full advantage of the stunning views while providing a private retreat.